Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross SEL in red diamond. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power folding side mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, cargo management system, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjb.com, stock number D7198.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.